Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen services. Today we are going to make Pastechi carne, that's the Caribbean pie. And we have this fried pie in Ghana, but the feeling is different from this one. So let's start. This is the ingredients you need for the dough: all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, pinch of salt, and you mix it. Unsalted butter, add that one to it, and you rub with your hand. Please wash your hand before you rub it. Please wash your hand very well with soap before you rub it. And you add cooking oil. This pie is not only Caribbean people eat, but Arab countries also eat, and some countries also eat this pie. But a snack in Holland, if you get some in your lunch, you get some drink. Oh my God, stop. Add 1 egg. Add the water, but please don't pour all together. Put it small, yeah, you pour it small. And then you use your hand to knead it until you see it's okay for you and it's smooth. You see, if it's ready, it will not be in your hand, you see. So you make this one for maybe 10 minutes before you can see it's already knead, and you cover it and you put aside. Let it be red for 30 minutes. Please, let's start the filling. You put your fry pan on fire, add the oil, you add your grounded chicken. But this, you can use fish, you can use meat, you can use cheese, you can use vegetables, anything you prefer. You add your chopping garlic to it, you stir it, add a pinch of salt, add the chopping onion, add chopped bell pepper. I use red, so you can use any color you prefer. Add the black pepper, and you add shrimp Maggi powder, and you add yellow chili pepper, tomato paste, and you stir it. And you add small water because it's supposed to be soft. That's why I'm adding the water. You add your curry powder, add the raisin, and let it be cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. You see how it looks? Now it's ready, so you put your salad, be cool. Now we are come to start the pie. So let's start. Sprinkle small flour on the surface. You see the dough is double sided, so you press it down and the air should come out small. You transfer to the surface you are going to use it, and you use your hand to massage it small. I'm thanking my old subscribers and my followers. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share all my social media platforms. and you flat with your rolling pin, or like this, because we have the same type on Africa. Like Ghana, we do the same fry pie, so it's the same. I'm making it, but the filling is different. And you use round thing to cut it round, like what I'm doing. You do the same. Please don't forget to like, follow and share my Facebook page, please. And you dab it with water. You use water around like this. You make it, and you put the filling into the middle. The same what I'm making it. They say we make it in Africa, Ghana. That's what we make it, our meat pie. So the same what you're supposed to do. All is finished, and you fold it halfway. You use fork to make it, and then now you use your hand, also your finger. You see what I'm making it? Do the same. You use your hand to, like you are making some design on front, and continue to do the same until all finished. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms: YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. And you use fork to press on top. Continue to do all the same until it's finished. And you put your oil on fire. This is deep frying, so you start frying until golden brown, but please set your fire into the middle temperature. If it's high, it will burn. If it's low, it will not cook. And you see how nice it look? You see how nice it look? It's ready. So I'm remove it from oil. You see how nice it look? And you continue to fry all until you finish frying it. And you serve with chilli sweet sauce or any sauce you prefer to use. Please follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching my UK kitchen services. See you on my next video. Bye bye.